Alright, my name is Robert Rehrman, and this is mineral video project number 3. For my mineral for this time, I got sample number 45. So here it is at a few different angles. So as always, the first physical properties I test are always the looks, because they are the easiest to identify. So the color of this sample is like a deep maroon color / red. It's an opaque mineral, and it has a low luster of silky in some areas, like right here, but then it also has vitreous, probably more subvitreous on the top sections. I looked at the habit and determined that it had a massive habit, as there's not much form to it. Next, I used a streak plate to determine the streak, and noticed that it had a deep red or maroon color, which is the same as the mineral color. And then the powder from the streak I noticed smears very easily on paper and other surfaces. I then went to test the hardness of the mineral and came to the conclusion that it has a hardness of less than 2.5, because you can scratch it with a fingernail very easily. Then I looked for the cleavage and determined that there was no cleavage, but it has an earthy fracture, which basically just means that it looks like dirt that has been cut. And then for the final physical property I tested, I used dilute HCl to determine the effervescence, and I noticed that it did not fizz, therefore it's not effervescent. The mineral I determined that this one is called hematite, and the way you can distinguish this mineral from others is by its very low hardness and its deep red color. Large deposits of hematite can be found in banded iron formations. Also, gray hematite can be found in areas that can have still standing water and hot springs, such as Yellowstone. And for a little fun fact, hematite is the most important mineral for obtaining iron ore.